All right, cleaning up the LeBaron a little bit, getting all them crevices and corners and things that get all full of stuff. We'll get it all cleaned out here in a minute. Let's take a look at what we're doing. First thing we did was remove that cowl so we could get underneath in here. That's a drain hole area right there. There we go. That needs to have all the debris cleaned out so it'll properly drain. And these convertibles are notorious. You have to keep this stuff clean. Same with up there. Same with this corner over here. And windshield washer lines got to be replaced. Looks like they got chewed on a little bit. I did have, it looks like, a mouse trying to live in here. Yeah, got to pull the battery back out, clean out all the way around underneath there. Got this door being stretched a little bit because there is no adjustment in these hinges on these cars. They're just welded in place, and that's the end of it. And when the door starts sagging, you have to bend the entire location back or replace the pins, and there's no slack in the pin assemblies. So it's door, they get bent after a few 30 years. Got to get this hole cleaned up in here. Get this window assembly back together again. And then once everything's cleaned, we can go ahead and start putting it back together again. Yes, there's stuff back here. I mean, it's just a magnet in all these holes to collect up stuff. The trunk assembly looks pretty good. Yeah, there was a rat's nest back here, a mouse nest. I got that out of here. I got to finish cleaning it all out, get it all gone. But yeah, all that looks pretty good yet. Rear package tray. They're made out of cardboard. They get wet and they just start sagging. So I'm probably going to have to make a new one, but we'll see. Door panels, pieces. Now, this was the original center console assembly that I had. These are all messed up. Bottom of this was broke when somebody tried to put a radio in it. And then I did get a hold of an entire new assembly that's got good door dampers. Bottom assembly's in place. Got a couple of these that have got good dampers on them like they're supposed to. So we'll see. Actually, a set of stock replacement speakers. I don't know if those are going in or not. The all-important latch assembly. So, it'll slowly but surely, we'll get her back together again. Just got her in, stretching the door, cleaning out the debris. Alrighty, folks. That's the update. Yeah, the top's up just a little bit so I can get it things. I don't want to fold it completely back until I get everything cleaned out of the way. Alrighty, let's see how that door shuts in a minute. Toodaloo.